Are you a seasoned mariner with a passion for tugboat operations? Ready to take the helm of a new and exciting career opportunity? PT Masada Jaya Lines is searching for a dedicated and experienced port captain to join our dynamic team. This is your chance to lead our tugboat operations and make a real impact in the maritime industry. We're looking for someone with strong leadership skills, in-depth knowledge of port logistics, and a commitment to safety and efficiency. If you're ready to steer your career in a new direction and join a company that values expertise and dedication, we want to hear from you.